Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E20 and you're wondering what this is and what can you do to get rid of it. So the E20 code is a drainage code. So this means that the washing machine has failed to drain, and if you're getting an E20 you might even notice that it's full of water. And so what you need to do to get rid of this is to figure out why it's not draining. And this is most likely caused by one of two things. So it's either going to be caused by the drain hose. So if it's a drain hose, you just want to go around back and make sure that the hose coming out of the machine, it's not kinked or bent or smashed or clogged or anything like that. Like for example, sometimes when you install the washing machine or when you move the washing machine, you push it up against the wall, you push it too hard and it can kind of bend and kink that drain hose, and the water can't flow through it and can't flow out of the washing machine. Also, that hose pumps from the bottom of the machine. It pumps the water up and out into the drain, and it can only the pump is only so strong, can only pump so far. So if that is sitting really high, the drain is sitting way up high, and as long as you're just using the hose that came with the washing machine, you should be fine. But if you have any kind of extension on it that's making it pump even higher, this can cause problems for it. And then where the hose goes into the drain, it should fit snugly in there, but it shouldn't be like way down in, more than like 6 or 8 inches, and it should not be sealed. There needs to be air that can get into the drain. So that's one thing, is everything to do with the hose. The second thing it could be is the drain pump, and depending on your model, it will be a little bit different. But the drain pump is down at the bottom, and you can access it, and just make sure that, sometimes in the wash, like a button or come off a shirt or something like that, or some kind of debris will get sucked in and then get into the pump, prevent it from spinning, and then it can't drain properly. If you're able to check both those things, you should be able to get rid of the error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.